Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing simple pergola design ideas and tips to elevate simple pergola into perfect outdoor pergola living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those seeking to elevate their outdoor living space, a pergola presents a captivating solution. Defined by its open, airy framework, a pergola offers dappled shade, a touch of architectural intrigue, and the potential to become a true focal point in your backyard. But with a multitude of design options available, navigating the world of pergolas can feel overwhelming. Fear not. This comprehensive guide explores the beauty of simple pergola design, guiding you through its benefits, decoration tips, and inspiring furnishing choices. A simple pergola design prioritizes clean lines and uncluttered aesthetics. It typically features a post and beam structure, often constructed from pressure-treated lumber, cedar, or vinyl. The roof is open, allowing dappled sunlight to filter through, or may have a basic slatted cover for additional shade control. Unlike its more elaborate counterparts, a simple pergola eschews ornate details, opting for a minimalist approach that emphasizes functionality and visual harmony. The allure of a simple pergola design is multifaceted. Let's delve into the compelling reasons to embrace this approach. First, affordability. Simple designs translate to lower material and construction costs. This makes a pergola a more accessible option for budget-conscious homeowners. Second, versatility. The clean lines of a simple pergola seamlessly integrate into diverse architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. Third, easy maintenance. With fewer elements and intricate details, simple pergolas require less upkeep, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your outdoor space. Fourth, airy and light-filled. The open nature of a simple pergola fosters a sense of spaciousness and allows for ample natural light to permeate. Fifth, timeless appeal. Simple designs transcend fleeting trends, ensuring your pergola remains aesthetically relevant for years to come. While simple in structure, a pergola offers tremendous potential for personalization. Here are some tips to elevate your simple pergola design. First, climbing vines. Introduce vertical interest and natural beauty with climbing vines like clematis, wisteria, or honeysuckle. Train them to weave through the pergola's beams, creating a romantic and shaded haven. Second, fabric panels. Opt for retractable fabric panels to control sunlight and provide privacy when desired. Choose from a variety of colors and patterns to complement your existing decor. Third, string lights. Infuse a touch of whimsy and ambience with string lights draped across the pergola's beams. As twilight sets, they'll bathe your space in a warm and inviting glow. Fourth, outdoor rug. Define the space under your pergola with a weatherproof rug. Select a pattern and color that complements your patio furniture and creates a cohesive outdoor living area. Fifth, statement pots. Arrange a cluster of large planters brimming with vibrant flowers or lush greenery around the base of the pergola. Play with texture and height for a visually dynamic effect. The possibilities are endless when it comes to furnishing your simple pergola. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Dining table and chairs. Create an alfresco dining experience perfect for warm summer nights. Lounge chairs and coffee table. Transform your pergola into a relaxing retreat for lounging and reading. Sofa and seating area. Create a comfortable conversation space for socializing with friends and family. Hammock or swing. Add a touch of whimsy and relaxation with a hanging hammock or swing. For even more inspiration and expert advice on creating the perfect simple pergola for your outdoor space, visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. Subscribe to unlock a treasure trove of design ideas and tips to bring your dream outdoor living space to life. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.